Hello, welcome to News You Can Use. Today we're talking about coolers for the outdoor crowd. Not just any cooler, but the YETI Tundra 65. At over $375, is it worth the hype, or are you just paying for the name? The YETI Tundra 65 is a high-end, hard-sided cooler built for serious outdoor use. Camping, tailgating, beach days, even commercial fishing. It holds up to 42 cans with a 2-to-1 ice-to-contents ratio, and it's bear-proof certified. Yes, that's right. I said bear-proof. Here are a few positive reviews on this product. First and foremost, the YETI Tundra 65's ice retention is legit. You can preserve ice for over 5 days in moderate heat. It also has rock-solid construction, which doesn't warp or flex. Additionally, the non-slip feet and military-grade handles makes it a safe and durable asset for your outdoor experience. It's the cooler that people notice, and if you are brand conscious, this is the product for you. There are some things to consider about the YETI Tundra 65. Mainly, the price point is nearly $400 without accessories. It is also quite heavy, weighing 29 pounds, with no wheels to help move it along. Additionally, latches are fairly tough for younger kids or elderly hands. However, if you're serious about outdoor gear, love tailgating like a pro, or hate melted ice on day 2, the Tundra 65 is a buy it once and own it forever piece. Are you just a casual outdoorsman? You can probably discover other coolers for half the price. Check it out on Amazon at the link below. And if you want more honest gear reviews just like this, hit subscribe. This is News You Can Use. Thanks for watching, and hope you subscribe today.